You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more videos for you. The top word here is pronounced as proposition. Proposition. Stress on the Z syllable. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Proposition. The bottom word on your screen is proponent. Proponent. Stress on the second syllable. Proponent. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.